Have you ever wanted a hack or DIY that is going to help you with your kids? Well, don't worry, because we're here to show you 10 of the best hacks. Let's get right into it. Number 1, making eggs more fun. If your child doesn't want simple recipes and doesn't want the eggs you are making, we have an idea for you. First, get your regular old frying pan and 2 cookie cutters that can fit inside of one another. First, place the cookie cutters inside the middle of the frying pan and put your egg yolk in the middle of the small cookie cutter and the egg white around the outside of the small one. Once you're done, your child will never be grumpy about breakfast. Number 2, trouble taking medicine. If your child doesn't want to take their medication, we have something that'll make it a little bit easier. If your child really likes taking a sip of Coke or Pepsi, all you have to do is hide the medication behind it and use a straw so they think they're drinking their pop. They won't notice a thing. Number 3, no mess. Mess is never good, so if your children really want to paint or color, all you have to do is use a plastic bag and put it over your child. They can play however they want and they will never get stained into it. Number 4, cold feet. If you struggle with getting shoes that fit over your baby's feet when they're in a jumper, all you have to do is wear a hoodie every time you go out. Then you can put their little feet into your pockets so that their feet will no longer get cold. Number 5, easier ponytail. If you're having a hard time doing a ponytail in your child's hair, all you have to do is get a vacuum and put the elastic around the hose. Then vacuum up all of the hair, put the elastic around it and take the hose away, and it will look amazing. Number 6, a better sleep. We all know the struggles when your child is sleeping with you and they just keep moving around and you can't even get under the blankets because you don't want to disturb them. Well, don't worry. We have a quick solution for you because all you have to do is put your arms into your pajamas and it will be a win-win situation. You'll be much warmer when you sleep and your child will not be disturbed. Number 7, no leaving the table. If your child doesn't like staying at the dinner table when eating, all you have to do is use your shirt and place it over them and the chair, and they will not move an inch. It's great because you will be able to feed them as well as not worrying that they are out doing something in your house you don't want them to do. Number 8, child-safe makeup. It's normal if your kid wants to use some of your makeup, but sometimes they don't understand it's not edible. So we have some kid-safe lipstick that you can make. All you have to do is take some coconut oil and some small chocolate pieces and melt them in a spoon over a candle. Once you're done that, pour this into an empty lipstick container and now you have some child-proof lipstick. Number 9, silence a loud toy. We all know the trouble of having a child play with a really loud toy and wanting it to quiet down. If they don't want to stop playing with the toy, get a piece of duct tape and place it over the speaker of the toy. Usually this will be on the bottom of it. And voila! Number 10, closing doors. If your child struggles with leaving the door open when they come in to see you, and you are struggling with getting up all the time to close it, all you have to do is get a hook and put it on the corner of the door frame as well as right here on the door. Place a water bottle and a string on both of these hooks, and once your child opens the door, it will allow it to close once again. Well guys, that's all the hacks we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!